So question number 3 is such that an alloy means what, my dear students? When two or more metals are mixed by melting down, then solidified, then the mixture of these metals is not called a metal, it is called an alloy. So three metals, what are the three metals? Copper, then zinc and nickel. These three metals are together mixed. So there are many parts in one container. There are 1000 parts of copper, another container 1000 parts of zinc, and another container 1000 parts of this nickel are there. And out of this 1000 parts, 13 parts are taken from the copper balti, 7 parts are taken from the zinc balti, and 5 parts are taken from the nickel balti thing. Okay. Now these three different equal parts. Okay, these three different number of parts are mixed and then melted. So this mixture will contain 13 parts of copper, 7 parts of zinc, and 5 parts of nickel. Together how many parts? 25 parts. Out of these 25 parts, what is the percentage of copper, what is the percentage of zinc, and what is the percentage of nickel are the questions. Now question is this: given in the alloy, parts of copper is 13, parts of zinc is 7, and parts of nickel is 5. So if you add these three, therefore total number of parts is 25. Therefore required percentage of copper is, you write the relevant fraction. What is the part of copper? 13, and what total number of parts is 25. Out of 25 parts, 13 is copper. So this is the relevant fraction. You multiply by it by 100 and then give a percentage. So it will give you 52%. Understand? So required percentage of zinc equal to what? Homework. And required percentage of nickel, okay, you find it as homework. This much is the question. Question number 3 is finished. Now question number 4, my dear students. 4 is the population of a town increased by 10% annually. If the present population is 22,000, find its population 1 year ago. So 1 year ago, population was not 22,000. 22,000 is the resultant population this year because of increase of that population by 10%. You have to find that population for previous year's population. So here you will be able to do it very easily if you take the part of algebra. You can use unitary method also. So I will help you algebraically. Your responsibility is to help yourself using unitary method arithmetically. Okay. Now let, what is the proceeding? Let last year's population be X. Okay. Therefore this year's population is what? Population is X will be increased by 10%. 10 by 100 means 10% of X. You please understand this expression. X is the original population last year, and this X does not remain X this year. This year it will increase by 10% according to question. So this 10% increase or increment will have to be added to get this year's population, my dear students. So if you just cancel these two zeros and just make a very small fraction, it will become 11x by 100. Understand? According to question, this population is this year's population. So this population I have found it by algebraically calculating. So according to question, it is given as 22,000. So here you find the value of X. X equal to 22,000 multiplied by 10 by 11. It will get the reciprocal form. So if you cancel these two, then you will get 2,000. Means 20,000. So this is the answer. Therefore, required last year's population is 20,000. Okay. This is the answer, my students. So this is how we finish question number 4. I will go for question number 5 and 6 right now, and after this I will go to help Arif. Arif is sending me a few questions of some previous lesson. So next video, after this, next video will be to help Arif. Okay. Question number 5 is a little new to you. Mono's income, suppose his income is some rupees 1 lakh, right, like that. It increased by 20% and it became a new kind of income, and then this new kind of income decreased by 20%. Understand? And again a new kind of income was obtained. So after this increase and decrease, a new kind of income was obtained, and if you go to the original income and compare this new income after these two increase decreases, understand, you have to now compare the original income with the new ultimate income and find out what total percentage change Mono's income happened. So the question is this. So if you can have it done taking original income as rupees 100, or you can have it done by taking original income as rupees X, whichever seems convenient you do. I will take as rupees 100 so far original income of Monos is concerned. Not 1 lakh, you can take any value, 1 lakh, 1 crore, whatever you can take. Okay, but you have to think that original income must be very much specified, and ultimate income must be very much specified. Okay, now let original income be, without mentioning Mono's name is okay. Original income be rupees 100. Okay. Therefore, after 20% increase, new income will be what? 100 plus 20% of 100 means 20 only. This is the new income, means rupees 120. It is beautiful in a sense that if you have to take x, then you will have to make it very complex. X plus 20% of x, new exception, new conception would have been to be added. Now here, as you have taken 100, therefore 20% of 100 becomes 20 only, no problem. Now after again 20% decrease, ultimate income means last income equal to, here you have to make a calculation. It was 120 rupees in the previous, so on this 120, 20% decrease happened. So you have to subtract 20% of rupees 120. So this makes the sum a little longer. 120 is the resultant income after increment. Then decrease happened by 20%. So decrease will happen on 120 rupees, not 100 rupees. Okay, so it is the ultimate income. What is the value? It is 120 and minus 20% of 120 will give you 24 rupees. This much you understand? So ultimately the final income would have been 96 rupees. So this is very important. This final income or ultimate income has become 96 rupees. Now this income and this income would be compared. This is the question. So what is the change percentage? So therefore decrease in income is rupees 100 was the original and final is 96 equal to rupees 4. So decrease percentage decrease is to be compared with the original amount. Original amount is 100 rupees and therefore if you find 4 rupees decrease, what is 4 rupees if you convert it to percentage will be 4% only. So answer is 4% decrease. This is the beauty of taking 100 rupees as original income by the students. If you had taken X or anything as original income, then the sum would have been longer than this. So very easily you can find the new income by multiplying 20%. Instead of multiplying, you can just put 20, and it becomes a little complex when you have to take the decrease thing, because it becomes 20% of rupees 120, and therefore it becomes a little tough. But unlike taking X, it is too much easy to understand. So this is end of question number 5. Let us now go to question number 6, my dear students. Okay, question number 6. So what is the question? In an examination, Piyush scored 490 marks. If he scored 70% marks, find the maximum marks. Maximum marks means the marks given in the question paper. This is called maximum marks. So 490 marks gives him 70%. So maximum marks is always 100%. Understand? So the question is, what is the marks if you count in terms of 100%? So it is the simplest sum. So according to question, directly you can write. According to question, 70% of maximum marks, marks stands for 490. Yes? Yes. Therefore, 1% of maximum marks stands for 490 by 70. Means if you cut, then it will become 7. Okay. 1% stands for 7. Therefore, 100% of maximum marks stands for 7 into 100. So it will give you 700 marks. Therefore, 100% of maximum marks means the maximum mark itself. 100% of totality means the totality itself. Okay. So therefore, required maximum mark is 700 marks. So I hope you have understood these 6 sums, my dear students. Let's now make a new video on Arif's concerns. He has sent me a few questions, and I would have been very much happy, my dear students, if you too send these confusions to me, so that I can make these special videos regarding your confusions. Okay, I hope you will send them. Thank you.